So today I dressed up Nell as Anna from Frozen, and we'll be doing a Easter egg hunt. Yay! So we'll be egg hunting today with Nalani. Say hi, everybody. Alright, so let's go on a hunt. You ready? Alright. Yeah, so come, Pumpkin. We're gonna look for eggs today. Alright?
Okay.
Alright, so come. Let's go search for eggs. We're going on a egg hunt.
Yay.
And you're gonna put all the eggs in your bucket. See? This is your bucket right there. Alright, so let's go. You see any eggs as yet?
Okay.
See any eggs?
Egg?
Yeah.
Ah!
Yeah, you found an egg. Alright, look if you see any more eggs.
Ah!
Alright, good job. You see any more eggs? Yeah, you see any more?
Ah!
Alright, good job. Yeah, you see any more eggs?
Ah!
Good job. Any more eggs? Oh my goodness. Good job. Eggs. Alright, good job. But you're finding all the eggs now. Good job. Yes, you're finding all the eggs. Uh-oh, it's fell, Pumpkin. You see any more eggs? Good job. Uh-oh, it fell, Pumpkin. Oh my goodness, I think your bucket's not going to be able to hold all the eggs. Yes. You see any more eggs? All right. Any more eggs? You see any more? She's finding all the eggs. See any more? Wow. Good job. All right. You see any more eggs? You see any more? Good job. You see any more eggs? Oh my goodness. Pumpkin, all your eggs are falling out the... Hold on. I'm gonna have to empty your basket. They're not going to hold. Yes, Pumpkin, that's another one. All right, you see any more eggs? Any more eggs? All right. Good job. You see any more eggs? She's running to throw it out. All right. Good. Blue. You see a blue egg? Where is it? Where's the blue egg? Yeah, where is it? All right, good job. You see any more eggs? Yes. You see any more eggs? Any more eggs? You see a blue egg? Good job. Oh my goodness. Okay, you see any more eggs? Mm-hmm. Any more eggs? Where's the green egg? Where's the green egg? You found the green egg. Yay! Good job. Any more eggs? Any more eggs? Good job. Good job. Any more? Any more eggs over here? Good job. Good job. All right, let's go see if there's any more over the other side. Come, let's go. Go. Let's go. See if we find any more eggs. Yes. Let's see if we find any more eggs. All right, so I think we got all the eggs. Yay! Good job. You got all the eggs. Yay! Good job. She got all the eggs, you guys. All right, I don't think there's any more eggs, Pumpkin. That's all the eggs. Come, let's count. How many eggs do you have here? Let's see. How many eggs? No, just count it like 1. Just 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You guys, she's counted up. I think I miscount. Oh my goodness, you guys, I miscount the eggs. Oh my goodness. Alright, did you enjoy the Easter hunt, Egg?
Yay!
Yes, you had a good time?
Okay.
You guys, so I didn't have any eggs. I didn't have any eggs. So yay! So I wanted her to actually I wanted her to actually have a good time, you know, just enjoying this Christmas sprint. I actually used some balls. Okay, the eggs are not able to open. So I actually wrapped some balls. This is actually balls, you guys. I actually wrapped them with whatever I can find. Some shiny papers. And you know, I tell her that they're to pretend that they're eggs. And yeah, that's how I create them. So you know, if you're home and you don't have anything at all in terms of what you can use to pretend as egg, you can use the ball. And these balls are the balls for the pool. Let me show you guys the balls. So this is what it looks like. It's a pool ball. So I basically just wrap all of them in some pretty papers that I have. Thank you. And then this is actually her beach bucket. So I just decorate it with some of some stuff that I had from her party. And yeah, turn it into a little Easter hunt. And then her dress, her beautiful little Anna dress. Yes, Pumpkin. And her little headband. Yes, Pumpkin. Yes, open. You want me to open it?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, I will.
Okay.
Alright.
Yes.
See, it's open. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for going on an Easter egg hunt with us. We love you. Now, say bye to everybody.
Bye-bye, Mommy.
Yes, okay.
Mommy, about please.
Yes, Nell. Now, say thanks for coming on an Easter egg hunt with us. Yes, I'm not opening anymore right now. Hold on, I have to get a picture, okay? Thanks, guys. Have a great day. We love you.